Hello, dear students. In today's session, we will learn how to prepare Chapter 3, Class 10th, Metal and Non-Metals for CBSE examinations. Weightage of chapter is 5 to 8 marks. Question included will be definitions, examples, all equations given in chapter, assertion and reasoning questions, activity-based questions, observation-based question, practical-based question based on reactivity series, statement based questions, formation of ionic compounds, and case based questions. First of all, weightage of chapter is 5 to 8 marks. Here, first question that you can find in board examination is compare physical properties of metal and non-metal and compare chemical properties of metal and non-metal. Physical properties, all physical properties you have to learn. Physical properties may be there for 1, 2 or 3 marks, metal and non-metal both. So prepare all distinguish between how to distinguish between physical properties of metal and non-metals and all reasoning question based on it. Second main question will be question based on chemical properties of metals. Here in this you will find question based on reactivity of metal with oxygen, reactivity of metal with water, reactivity of metal with acids, and reactivity of metal with solution of other metals. So here activity series or you can say reactivity series also important to learn. From this topic you have to learn all equations with color of reactant and product, nature of product, etc. So reactivity series definition, highly reactive metals, middle reactivity series metal, and unreactive metals. You have to learn all these metals. From this topic question 1, 2, 3 marks question may be there. These are physical properties of non-metals. From here you can find reasoning question, distinguish between all these things. Next important ionic compound, their formation and properties. So nature of bond in ionic compound, ionic bond, properties of ionic bond, properties of ionic compound. Very important question. 1, 2, 3 marks question. Again, formation of show question given in NCRT as it is. Show the formation of MgCl2. Show the formation of Na2O, MgO, and also learn of CaO, calcium oxide. Very, very important 2 mark question. What are the ions present in these compounds? Also learn the name of ions and symbol of ions present in these compounds. Next is reasoning question based on nature of ionic compound. Ionic compound, there in topic ionic compound, there are some reasoning question given. All reasoning question are important, and this topic include question 1, 2, or 3 marks. Again, next very important question is metallurgy, from where you can find question of 3 to 5 marks. It will include steps of extraction, enrichment of ore, roasting, calcination, refining, electrolytic reduction. After that, there is important topic from where you can get question from 3 to 5 marks is corrosion. Definition of corrosion. What is difference between corrosion and rusting? Rusting of iron, copper, silver, all these things, rusting of iron, copper, silver. Name the product formed after the corrosion of these elements, their color and formula. How it can be prevented, how corrosion of copper, iron, silver can be prevented. Discuss the harmful effect of rusting. Learn composition of all alloys. What are alloys and its composition? So you have to learn all these questions, all NCRT questions. So these questions, all questions are important questions. Again, if you want to learn these questions, extraction, steps of extraction, so you can divide these steps into 3 parts. metal in low reactivity series, metal in middle reactivity series, and metal in high reactivity series. So metal in low reactivity series can be obtained by heating of their ore. First, metal sulfide is changed into metal oxide and then metal oxide into metal. So steps involved here will be enrichment of ore, heating and reduction into metal, and then refining. Metal in the middle of reactivity series. There are two examples in your book, zinc carbonate and zinc sulfide. So number one, again same method, enrichment of ore. Zinc carbonate will be extracted by calcination. By calcination it will change into zinc oxide, and then zinc oxide will change into zinc under the process of reduction by carbon, and then zinc will change into, then it will be done refining undergo refining to give pure zinc. Again, zinc sulfide you will do roasting, and zinc carbonate you will do calcination. Zinc carbonate, example metal carbonate, zinc sulfide, roasting, reduction, refining, enrichment of ore, roasting, reduction, refining. Next is extraction of metal by displacement reaction or thermite reaction. Here you have examples given in this, MnO2 or Fe2O3, thermite reaction and their uses in daily life. Next is metal in high reactivity series, which can be extracted by electrolytic refining. So learn all the questions. These are all important topics and all questions given in the NCERT books. Thanks for watching.